Hey guys, it's Unicorn, and this is Coco. You know her, chocolate apple. Yeah, so she's one of my Roblox friends and real life friends. So I thought because I'm having a sleepover with her tonight, I give it. So here it is. We're making a video on. I put this without it. So we're making a video on everything on CandyLand. It's a CandyLand Obby. Sorry guys, I haven't made a video in a while. So I got it with the computer, so that's what we're gonna try to finish the Obby. But if we don't, in a matter of time, I might get back to it. Yeah. Maybe we can do a part 2. Yeah. Who knows? So this game, so I'm just gonna say everybody's much taller than me. That's just because, long story short, for Royal High, I was trying to make myself look a little shorter, and so I tried to make myself a little shorter, but it apparently didn't work, but now it's working, so like, okay, that's it. Let's go to the game. Yeah, let's go to the game. There has been a massive tax leak in CandyLand is going down. You're gonna get out. What? Wait, taffy? That doesn't look like taffy. That's concerning. I don't know. That isn't very taffy-like. You know that Airhead, that's taffy. This is what it would. This is what it looks like. Like, yeah, I don't know. This is very good quality. Wow. Yeah. Okay, there. Okay. The only you can only want a lollipop for each texture. No. Oh, what the? Wait. Oh no, I can't look down. Well, I have a wireless mouse. How amazing. Yes, this one. Okay. So what are for Obby? Those, I think it's the red one. Yeah. That was like the leap of faith. Okay, so if we look up here, it's really easy. Mace, good luck, you can do it. See, this is the problem with me. Like, guys, I know I'm cheating all the time, but like, don't. Yeah, they're literally like arrows. I mean, it's literally can't in Obby. Okay, so now we have to zoom back in. Okay, so Mr. Gingerbread guy here isn't. Is that mold on the chocolate? I think it's taffy chocolate taffy. Wait, is it chocolate taffy? What's it called? The weird Tootsie Rolls. That's chocolate taffy. I don't like Tootsie Rolls. No way. Yeah. My mouth. So if you guys see me doing like some weird things with my mouth, it's my mouth. Okay. It's like a giant button. So you guys, that's now. So I'm just gonna say, what's your guys' favorite candy? And okay, never mind that. So what's your guys' favorite candy? Was in the comments. Yeah, I'm very curious to see what your favorite candy is. I'm not sure if I necessarily have a favorite candy. I thought my favorite candy was going to be like one different thing because I've never tried it before, and I thought that it was like a lollipop, but really it's like this weird white thing, and I wasn't a big fan of it. It looks like a size pill. I was very uncomfortable. Be careful about the dangerous bubbles that are coming out of the taffy. For some reason, They totally happy. I mean, I guarantee you. It's for some reason. Cheat. Looks like you'll need help there, buddy. I'll give you this exclusive. No. No. Trick you guys. Never spend money on hobbies. You usually only pick hobbies once. Yeah, they don't stay. They don't. I'm going too fast. No. Guys, I can accomplish this. I'm dying. Go down. Go. Yeah. I was trying to do a 360. You have to do it. Yeah, earlier we picked up the bike team, and now we're the last one. It's the last one. Nothing. Will help. Go ahead. Help. People are probably shouting at me right now. Let's stop. But yeah, so just picked up ice cream. I watched a movie. Oh. Fun fact, on meet teacher day in first grade, yes, in first grade, this is how we met. So in first grade, we were in the same class. On meet the teacher day, she sits right next to me. Coacoa sits right next to me. And then she just says, "We're gonna be best friends." And I was just like, what? I mean, looking back at it, I mean, it's kind of weird. I mean, but it is easier to make friends once you're little. It is. Oh, it's easy because when you're little, everyone's always good old friends. Whenever you're little, you're just good old friends. What? Yep. I forgot. This one. This one. My feeling is this one. No. This one. This one. I'm not sure. How long is the obby? Well, it's a part. No. Yeah, because if we keep going at the rate we're going right now, I don't have to. But like at the rate that I had to have you do it for me, that won't work. But then I can't have it with you because you live far away. That's yeah, but oh, heck. So if you ever see this, did you see how my feet went through it? Watch. You don't have to risk your life. My feet are going through, so this one's not good. Yeah. Sorry, my nose is doing a bunch of weird things. I'm cold feet, everybody. Make sure you're washing your hands. No, but yeah. No, but yeah, I'm having the coughs and so he has coughing or stuff. It just yeah, guys, please wash your hands. Not sure you're taking good care of your body, eat healthy. Yeah, that's really hard. Whatever you do, do not. I was trying to this. If you want to fast all of this stuff, I should go just depend how fast if you're going really fast, you can why is candy and so dangerous? Look. Oh. Sounds fine. Oh. Boom. Yeah. following this line. No. Yeah.
Awkward silence.
Exactly. No. So, do you guys like? And if you do, please let me know what kind of what's your favorite flavor of candy?
Yeah, you can make that work too.
Yeah.
Or you can just put comments. It always nice to have some comments.
Yeah.
Say your favorite candy or what kind of candy or what type or what favorite.
Say your type. We keep looking back and forth. Guys, say the candy that you like and then the flavor.
Yeah. I like my kind of.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
But yeah, I think we might have to part 2 of this video. But please like and subscribe.
Wait, why?
We're right near the castle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, we have.
Well,
1
like
second.
like and hit the notification bell.
Goodbye. I'll see you soon, guys.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching. For touring my friend. No, just kidding. Yeah, just thanks for. Bye.